Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Google TV streamer 4K device to Samsung Smart TV. See, this is a Google TV streamer 4K device. Let me go through the ports. First port, this is a HDMI output port. This is a LAN port. This is USB Type-C power port. Here we can connect USB cable from the power adapter. This is a reset button and this is a LED light. Let me connect this USB power cable to power port. Okay, done. Then here you can see LED light. That means right now this device is booting. Next I am going to connect this HDMI cable to HDMI output port. Let me connect. Okay, done. Then other end of this HDMI cable I am going to connect to Samsung Smart TV. Let me connect this HDMI cable to HDMI port 1 of this Samsung Smart TV. Okay, done. Then go to Samsung Smart TV, go to left side, then go down and select connected devices, then go to right side. Here we have to select HDMI 1. Let me select HDMI 1. Okay, done. This way we can connect Google TV Streamer 4K device to Samsung Smart TV. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.